Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is ready. Charge to at least 50% or plug it in, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Once done, back up your important data to cloud or local storage so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Next, open Settings, tap About Phone, then Software Update. You'll start checking for the official OTA package. That's the first actionable step to download the update. You'll see the update details and size. Tap Download to begin. While it downloads, make sure you have at least 2 GB free so the package can unpack. Remove large files if necessary to free space. Once the download finishes, the system will verify the package integrity. Let that complete without interrupting, because a corrupted install can brick the device. If verification passes, you'll be prompted to install. Choose Install Now or schedule a convenient time, and keep the phone plugged in. You proceed by confirming install and allowing the phone to reboot into recovery where the system applies the update. This can take 10 to 30 minutes, so be patient and do not force power off. Once the device restarts, check Settings About Phone to confirm the new build and open key apps to verify functionality. If something goes wrong, first clear the system cache from recovery or restore your backup. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.